Now you know how to identify software. The binary provenance part, where did this software come from, is the fact that you want to record. You want to say, hey, in my CI system, I just did a build. I built this Docker image, and it has this fingerprint. Now we know where it came from. We know some things. We know that it was built in this CI process. We probably want to store other metadata in that fact, like the git commit that was checked out to build this thing. So now we can actually make a link or a chain from code to a binary, or from a binary to a code. It's another fact we've established by adding that piece of metadata. Now you might want to store other things like the URL for the build, or the environment variables that were in play in the shell that when you did the build, or the command that you ran to do the build. Like any other facts could be connected, but you make that attestation, that record right there when you do the build, and you store it somewhere. Store it somewhere that you can't tamper with, somewhere that is append-only, somewhere else, right? That's your system of record if we go back to the control story, right? So you store that fact. You make that attestation and say, hey, in this build, at this URL from this git commit, we produced this Docker image with a SHA-256 sum. Now, whenever you find a Docker image in your runtime environments, you should be able to look it up and find where it came from, what code it was built from, and any other facts you've associated with that identity.